Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites, reliable network and hardware. Plug a wired connection if possible, because wired reduces latency and packet loss. Once done, power on the codec, camera, and audio devices, then pair or sign in with the admin account. This prevents later permission issues. Make sure firmware and software versions match your service requirements and label cables for quick identification. These initial actions let you move directly into configuration without backtracking. Now you configure network and device settings for consistent performance. Assign static IPs or DHCP reservations so endpoints stay reachable. This simplifies firewall rules and device management. Then implement quality of service rules, prioritizing RTP or SRTP so audio and video remain smooth under load. Next, enter device settings to set resolution, codecs, and echo cancellation. Finally, frame the camera and adjust microphone gain for clear voice pickup. These tune settings finish by validating the whole system with an end-to-end test call. Confirm audio-video sync, latency under thresholds, and content sharing works. Record configuration details and establish a reboot and update schedule so maintenance is predictable. Once satisfied, train users on joining and basic controls. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step first. Restart the affected device, then verify physical cables and CoS counters. This sequence often restores service without complex diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.